So it's really important, if you can, at the moment, to not really waste anything. So keep an eye on your fridge, keep an eye on what's looking fresh, and keep an eye on what's maybe not looking quite so fresh. And when you see things not looking quite so fresh, use them, turn them into something, even if you don't need to eat them straight away. A couple of ways you can do that really easily. So green vegetables, most vegetables really, cook them, maybe 2/3 of how you would normally cook them, but don't finish cooking them completely. Plunge them straight into a bowl of cold water, let them get cold and then drain them, and you've now got blanched vegetables. So you can store those in your fridge in a plastic bag or a box or covered. You can freeze them at that point, actually, that's a really nice thing. So perfect way to actually just keep your vegetables ready for when you are. It also means if you want to make a little omelette or a frittata, or you want to make a casserole or a little salad with some vegetables you've cooked with some nice part-cooked broccoli, you've got something nice and chilled ready just to mix in with a few leaves and a bit of salad dressing.